I hope all you are fine. Today I'm gonna make another video for making a small loop, and most of the time we can use just peel this wire and then make a round like this, which is not very good professional. So we make this like in a professional way. So first of all, you have to twist this wire like this so it can be easily go to the. We have a different kind of loops. One is this one, which goes to the like that one, slide go inside. The second one is this one, so I use that one, you can see. And we use this tool for crimping. I think this is called crimping tool, or it just goes all the way down. Yeah, see, the wire is coming all the way to the end, and then before we attach this loop, we can use this shrinking sleeve, so it will look more professional. And then we can press all the way down. When the copper wire goes there, it goes this way. You see the wire is coming outside, and then we can press this thing with this special tool. It has a teeth over there. You can press like this so it cannot come outside. Now it's properly attached. Now we can use this shrinking wire and shrink this thing all the way this way. We can use this gas torch for this purpose because we don't make it more. You see this thing, how beautiful and proper it looks, like a professional. So we use all professional gadgets, and I hope you like this video. If you like, please give me comments and subscribe and share. I will be very thankful to you. Thank you, and we'll meet you next video. Thank you and bye.